Accelerant runs a risk exchange, and we sort of define that term. So I better explain it.
Yeah.
What we do is we connect supply of specialty insurance, and that for Accelerant comes from MGAs, MGUs, program administrators. There are members, is what we call them, the specialty underwriters that are so good at their niches. We connect them as efficiently as possible with risk capital on the other side of the platform that really likes the risks that they're running. And those are insurance companies, reinsurance companies, and just institutional investors.
Mm.
And in between, Bryan, you're a student of the industry. You know what a snake pit that is. And when I say snake pit, maybe I should say a bowl of spaghetti in terms of the regulatory and the operational and
Yeah.
just the soul destroying get A to B, from A to B. What we try and do is make that as painless and as transparent, or maybe invisible is a better word than transparent. Invisible to both sides of the platform business. So that's what we do. That's the risk exchange. Maybe I'll pause and let you ask a follow-on question before I get into how did it come about.
I want to make sure I'm understanding right. So, if I'm an MGA and I need a fronting carrier and I need reinsurance capacity and all that, you're the solution for getting those lined up, or is it different?
Sort of. If you're an MGA and you want a fronting carrier, I think there are 23, 24 fronting carriers now in the U.S. that you could call. We're not a fronting carrier.
Right.
And metaphysically, the reason I say that is I would describe what Accelerant does is Accelerant gets paid to source, manage, and monitor that portfolio business that we build and manage and monitor. We get paid by our risk capital to do that on their behalf. That's sort of the opposite of what a front is. And I in my mind anyway, what a front is doing is collecting a fronting fee to transition from a regulatory perspective, to transition cash flows from insurance to reinsurance so that other people can do it. We are a portfolio manager, right? We curate these portfolios for our risk capital partners in a way that, at least as I understand the classic meaning of fronting company, it's the end. Hi, this is Jeff Radke from Accelerant, and this is the future of insurance.